sorry, the battery actually died. And when it did, I took everything out and I downloaded the last two videos. So you got four. This will be the fifth that's coming from tonight. Any rate, while all that was going on, I went and grabbed my wife's stash of nail polish, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to run a bead over the edge. However long that'll take to dry. One time I made this paper star. It was 92 points. It was a snub cube. Not a cube. What is the name of that? A snub isosahedron, I think it is. Well, either way, it's 92 points. 12 five-sided points and 80 triangle points. So what I did is I made all the triangle points fluorescent, but you had to see how it was, because since it wasn't mathematically correct, part of them had to be two sides of it one color and one side of it another. But when I painted it all fluorescent, and it was beautiful. Bottom and top both were polar opposites. And I used nail polish as the lacquer, and then I put iridescent clear glitter over it. Came out really, 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 really nice. I won third prize in the what year was that? 2000, or no, maybe the 1999 Orange County Fair. Third prize. That was cool. I also won first prize in the Orange County Fair one morning, or 1 year, 2000. It was cool because, like, I was taking a shower before work, and my wife ran downstairs to get the newspaper, and I was on the front page of it. And she came running upstairs and came into the bathroom, and I'm in the showers, and she says, "Hey, you're on the front page of the paper." And that, of course, that freaked me out. I said, "What for? I haven't done anything wrong." And she says, No, you won first prize in the fair. And I'm like, oh my God. So I brought the newspaper to work. Everybody else got the same paper anyway. They embarrassed me at work. They made photocopies and placed them in all the bulletin boards for everybody to see. They didn't tell me they were going to do it. They just did it. I appreciate it. Now, part of the reason I changed my mind about attaching it tonight, by attaching the first two caps, what we're going to be doing, I can actually play with it tomorrow when it's 12 hours because I won't be undoing the clips that are on it, and I can add to it, so it'll be cool. So tomorrow, I'll be adding the triangles to the two caps. It's just the first day. You should really wait 24 hours. Well, other stages too, and we'll get to that. Perfect. Makes it hard to breathe. I don't know how women work in that place where they do this all day long. Excuse me. Any rate, let's kill this video, download it, and since I got 4 of them, this being the 5th, I should start putting them on YouTube as well. Let this cure. I'm going to do that for about a half hour, I suppose, and then I'll start attaching them. That'll take 10 minutes tops. We can do that in the other room, as a matter of fact. I might as well just go set everything up there because that's where I'm going to be storing these things when they're curing till tomorrow. I've already set that part of it up. I got like a little vase and 2 sticks that I sit them on. Just bring in there. Oh yeah, okay. So this one, yesterday, the video died. This is the star you like. This is the one I created or painted yesterday. This edge is a different color. This is gold as well, but this is gold glitter. This is just plain straight up gold. There's a difference. This is glittery. This is gold glitter. Any rate, let me know, please. I'm under the impression you like the regular gold, but this is what I keep them sitting on. This one there and that one there. Check out some of these. This one right here is actually 12 points, but if you make it, it looks like 60 points, but it isn't. It's the 59th Stellation. It took me years to figure out how to do that. I searched and searched and searched and searched and searched, and I found a pattern, but I didn't know how to work it. And then once I broke it into 1 3-piece, then I learned. And then what I do is each one of these is one piece right here, but it's actually 5 pieces that I glued together. Just thought you might like seeing. My favorite color in the world is green. You might be able to tell that. Also, blue coming a quick second. Netta's favorite color is red. I made that one. That's the second star I ever made for Netta. I asked her, what's your favorite color when we were dating? What's your favorite color? And she said red. And I said, what's your second favorite color? She said blue. And I said, okay. And that's what I made her. February 1995 I made that. And that's That one's the 3rd star I ever made her, and that's the 4th. Let me just put this here, and when it comes time to glue, we'll do it in here. No, maybe we should do it in there. I've got the light. I'll just set it up in here. Have a good day.